the Waterpik PowerSpray shower head. Now in this shower, the water pressure isn't that great, so when I went to Home Depot, I asked the rep to give me the most powerful shower head there is. He gave me this low cost one, and I was kind of skeptical that it will do what I requested. I figured that maybe he looked at me and thought this is what I can afford. So I kind of was in doubt when I bought it. All the other shower heads were in the $80 ranges up to the higher end $200 range, and I didn't expect this to be as great as it was. I ended up getting it, and I'm not disappointed. I'm not a very trusting person, but I'm very grateful he provided me a good one. This one provides, enough pressure to hurt you, and it's real massage pressure. Now you probably, if you have a good shower head, one that provides satisfactory pressure, you don't have to get what I say. I recommend you can keep yours, but if you're looking for one that assuredly provides you extra pressure, this is one of those. Here, I'll give you a look at what it can do. It's got 6 modes. See, the water sprays out of the shower. It's so powerful, and like I said, it's great at scrubbing the dirt off dead skin, like a power washer. Very good pressure. And then there's these different modes. Some people prefer a softer spray. I like the intense one, but as you can see, it can provide everything for everyone.